In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix NSFW setting missing on Grok. First thing you want to do is launch your Grok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on toolbars. Go ahead and click on the settings icon. Now click on your username. You're going to find the option of birth year. Click on that. NSFW settings are only available to users who are 18 years of age or older, so make sure your date of birth is correctly entered. With this, you can head back. Now here you will get the option of NSFW. From here you can enable it. Next thing you want to do is update your Grok app. For that, launch App Store, search for the app Grok. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If these solutions didn't work out for you, you will need to report a problem. Navigate to the Grok support page. There, contact Grok support team. Mention that NSFW setting is missing in your Grok account. With this, Grok support team will review the issue and help resolve it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.